Okay, so the yam is on the fire. So I'm going to be adding Ajinomoto into my yam just to give it a little spice. It's totally optional. I'm also going to be seasoning it, adding a little bit of salt. So I will let it cook. That should take roughly 15 to 20 minutes or until it's soft, depending on the type of yam you are going to be using. Check the yam. So it's cooked. It's soft. So now we're taking it off the fire. Okay, so in a clean dry pot, I'm going to be adding my palm oil. So I'm going to be adding my onion. Feel free to use as much oil and as much onion as you want. So I'm going to let this fry for at least 2 minutes until it's translucent. So I'm going to cook it for at least 5 minutes until the water is dried a little bit. For 5 minutes. Let's check on it after 5 minutes. Okay. So you can see it's actually cooked now. So right now I'm going to be adding the fish to it. Also going to be adding the crayfish. I'm going to be adding the salt and Ajinomoto seasoning. Taste for salt. At this point, ooh, my kitchen, I can't tell you the aroma in my kitchen. It smells heavenly. In fact, this kind one, even your enemy will come and ask you for food. All right. So I'm adding my dish into it. Okay. And lastly, I'm adding my Ugba. Oh, my brother and sister. Oh, this sauce. Oh, God creates better thing, no. This sauce is the bomb, guys. And after 5 minutes, my sister, food done. So going to let it cook for another 3 minutes and the food is ready. And guys, I tell you, food done. This is so amazing. Did you see the richness in it? So good, so amazing. Oh, all right. So thank you so much for always staying with me. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.